This is what your Git history looks like when you're actually getting work done. But there is hope. We built something that rewrites your Git history, which looks better than it actually sounds. It's called Commit Composer, and it uses AI to turn commit chaos into something actually readable. It works on full commit ranges or whatever mess is currently sitting unstaged in your working directory, especially if you haven't pushed yet and you want to pretend it was clean all along. No rebase gymnastics, no cherry pick limbo, just clean, logical commits that tell a coherent story. And don't worry, your original branch stays untouched until you hit the button to create commits. When it's done, you get organized commits with cleaner, more useful messages. Commit Composer. Try it before your reviewer roasts you. Oh, and if you're wondering what else is new in GitKraken Desktop 11.3, Team Launchpad is now official. You'll need Advanced to keep using it. Command O opens a file browser. Command Option O opens repo management. And GitKraken AI now listens to your custom instructions a little harder. Nothing wild, just enough to make you feel like we're paying attention. Commit Composer is part of GitKraken Desktop 11.3. Update if you want to rewrite history without the therapy.